Still manually syncing your data? There's a better way. Let's be honest. Are you still stuck in a manual loop? Think about your current workflow. You enter details into a form, then turn around and repeat the exact same process in another form. When a record needs an update, you're forced to hunt for a match and painstakingly check every field just to keep things in sync. It's more than just a time sink. It's a recipe for disaster. One typo or one missed field, and your entire database is compromised. If you're handling dozens of contacts a day, this manual grind is a total nightmare. Stop wasting your talent on it. With Jodoo's Automation Pro, your system finally works for you. Imagine you create a contact, and Jodoo instantly populates the corresponding record in your customer form. Better yet, when a client is upgraded to key level, you update it once in the contact form. Then Jodoo will automatically synchronizes the change. Zero manual effort. Total accuracy. Let's get you set up. First, you'll need two forms. A customer's form, which includes fields like customer name, customer level, and any other relevant details. A contact's form, which includes fields such as contact name, phone, email, and importantly, customer name and related customer fields. Make sure the contacts form contains all the necessary customer-related fields so the data can be synced properly. Next, go to Extensions. Automations. Click New Automation and give it a name like Sync Customer Information when creating a contact. Set the trigger type to Form Trigger and choose the contacts form. Then, configure the trigger. Select When Add Record. This ensures the automation runs every time a new contact is created. Now, add a query record node below the trigger. Rename it to Query Customer Information, then configure it as follows. Set the query object, select Form Data, and choose the customer's form. Set the condition. Customer name equals the customer name from the trigger data. This step checks whether the customer already exists. At this point, there are two possible outcomes. The customer exists or the customer does not exist. To handle this, add an Add Path node. This will split the workflow into two branches. In the first branch, rename it to Customer Exists. Set the condition. Customer name from Query Customer Information is not empty. Then add an Update Record node. Node name, Update Customer. Update Record. At the node, Query Customer Information. Then set field values. Map all the fields of customer information using data from the trigger. This ensures existing customer records stay up to date. In the other branch, add an Add Record node. Change node name. Add customer record. Set target form. Customers. Field values. Map all relevant fields from the trigger data. This will automatically create a new customer record when no match is found. Once everything is set up, click Save and then Enable. And that's it. You now have a fully automated workflow that keeps your customer data perfectly in sync, no manual updates required. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay updated on all our future tutorials. And let us know in the comments what feature you'd like to learn about next. See you in the next episode.